Hi! In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings. Now scroll down to Access Apps. Following that, select Dual Apps and click on one of those switchers next to an app that you wish to clone, like Amazon Shopping. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up and wait. So now when I go back, as you can see, my Amazon app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete your app, you can hold it and select Uninstall, or go into the same settings and tap on blue switcher next to it. Lastly, confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!